Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making roasted summer vegetables. We're using a lot of fresh vegetables from the garden. Now you can use any vegetables that you have. These are the ones that I have on hand. This is a great way to use those vegetables up and people really enjoy it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 2 carrots peeled and sliced, 1 zucchini cut into 1/4-inch chunks, 1 onion cut into little thin slivers, I want to say about 1/8 of an inch, 1 head of broccoli cut into florets. We're also going to need 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 squash, about the same size as the zucchini. We're also going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some dry Italian herb seasoning. Now if you don't have this or you want to make it yourself at home, I have a recipe for it. I'll drop a link for that in the description, and some salt and pepper. Before we get started, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. All we're going to do is take in all of our fresh vegetables. We're going to go into a very large bowl. We're going to season it with our salt and pepper and our dry herbs, our garlic, and our olive oil. And we're just going to get it all coated. And once all of our vegetables have been evenly coated, we're going to take them, we're going to dump them out onto a sheet tray in a nice even layer. We're going to go into our oven for about 35 minutes. Now we're about halfway through. Our veggies are looking great. We're just going to give them a little toss so that way nothing's burning. And we're going to go back in for about 15 more minutes. And our vegetables are done. These are looking fantastic. Now let's plate them. And to plate these, we're just going to keep it simple. You can just leave them on the sheet tray and set them out and everybody can pick at it. If you want, you can just throw it on a plate, which is what I'm going to do. We're just going to pile it nice and high. Let all those colors show. This is looking fantastic. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's dig in. Gonna try to get a complete bite. We got a lot of different flavors and textures going on here, so it might take me 1 or 2. I think I might have done it. Wow, that's so good. The vegetables are perfectly cooked. They're not soggy, they're not crispy. The inside is perfectly cooked. The exterior has a little crisp to it. The herbs that we season this with just pairs with each one of these vegetables so well. There's a nice sweetness from the onions and the carrots, and the broccoli is beautiful as well. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so that way you don't miss any of the content that we put out. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.